Will you please introduce yourself?
My name is Joanny May Basco. I'm from Payak Jones, Isabela. I'm 24 years of age and I'm single. I graduated midwifery at the year 2011 and I started working after that 2 years as a therapist and 1 month as a secretary.
What is your main reason for applying abroad?
I want to help my father for his medical finances.
Are you willing to do all-around household chores?
Yes, Mom.
What experience do you have in household chores?
Washing clothes and dishes, ironing, and cleaning the house.
What about naughty little children? Can you also take good care of them?
Yes, Mom, I can manage.
Can you sing a simple English song for little children?
Yes, Mom.
Go ahead.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, in the diamond in the sky.
Is it okay for you to take care of elderly or bedridden persons?
Yes, Mom.
How about animals? Can you take care of them too?
Yes, Mom.
Do you know how to operate modern household appliances?
Yes, Mom, I can.
How about cooking? Do you have any experience in cooking?
Yes, Mom.
What particular dishes can you prepare?
Filipino food, Mom.
Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you interested to learn the language?
Yes, Mom.
Will you please tell us more why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to help my family, and not only for helping them, I want to learn about the culture in Hong Kong.
Would you like to say something else to your future employer?
To my future employer, I will promise, or I will do my best, my duties and responsibilities as a good domestic helper. Thank you.